A pleasant morning, dear children. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. So, dear children, very soon we will overcome this situation. Now, we are going to enter our topic. Today's topic is tense. In that, we are going to learn about past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Before start that, we recap about tense. Tense indicate the time of action or state of being indicated by the verb. Tense indicates the time of action or state of being indicated by the verb. Now we are going to learn about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means it is used to describe actions ongoing in the past. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the past. In the past continuous tense, we need to use present participle form and auxiliary verb was and were. What we have to use? Present participle form and auxiliary verb was and were. Here we are going to see the example. The example is she was going to school. She was going to school. In this sentence, was is auxiliary verb and going is present participle form. Going is main action, so main verb should be in present participle form. Then according to the subject, we need to change the auxiliary verb. If the sentence has I, he, she and it, we have to use auxiliary verb was, which means if the subject is singular, we have to use auxiliary verb was. If we have you, we and they, we need to use auxiliary verb were, which means if the subject is plural, we have to use were in the sentence. These are the examples for past continuous tense. The examples are you were going to house. It was going to Delhi. They were writing the poem. This is called past continuous tense. Now we are going to learn about future continuous tense. What we are going to learn? Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the future. What does mean by future continuous tense? The future continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the future. In this, we have to use present participle form with auxiliary verb will be. The auxiliary verb only change in the future continuous tense. The examples are you will be going to home. In this auxiliary, we use the auxiliary verb will be and going is the present participle form. Some more examples are my mother will be watching the television. I will be waiting for you. She will be swimming. They will be coming today. These are the some more examples for future continuous tense. Okay children, now you understand the difference between past continuous and future continuous tense. I hope you all are enjoying this section. Okay children, take care. Bye.